Hey travelers, my bathroom sink is a cluttered mess. It's been way too long since I last organized it and I can't take it anymore. When I walked into my bathroom, I wanted to feel like an oasis, like a luxurious, inviting hotel bathroom. Every time I step in it, I wanted to feel like I'm on vacation. So today, join me as I declutter my bathroom and I share 4 simple yet effective organization tips that will help you refresh your own space. Put this video on in the background and clean along with me. This is going to be a therapeutic decluttering session that you didn't know you needed. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips and a sense of accomplishment. All right, travelers, so let's grab our favorite cozy drink and let's get started. The first step, declutter. Take everything out of your sink area and cabinets. And yes, I mean everything. Now check expiration dates on skincare, makeup, and medications. Toss anything expired, dried out, or unused for months. A good rule of thumb is that if you haven't used it in the past 6 months, you probably won't use it. And if it's expired, you definitely don't want to use it. Old products not only take up space, but can actually be harmful to your skin and health. Now decide what actually belongs on your sink. For me, I only keep what I use daily on the countertop. Things like hand soap, my toothbrush, and a good moisturizer. Everything else, it gets stored away. Pro tip, group similar items together. Skincare in one place, medicine in another, hair supplies together. This makes it easier to see what you have, find what you need, and prevent clutter from creeping back in. Y'all, storage containers makes life so much easier. Once you've grouped your items, give them a home. Face creams in one bin, lip care in another, body moisturizers in their own space. And those affordable organizers from the dollar store, yes, they are game changers. I use them to separate hair products, skincare, and medicine. Everything in my bathroom has its own place, making it easier to grab what I need. If you're short on space, stackable bins and pull-out drawers maximize every inch. Bonus tip, labeling helps, but it's not necessary. Just having dedicated spaces makes a world of difference. The secret to staying organized, maintenance. Once a month, do a 5 quick-minute check. Toss out anything old and put everything back in its place. Once a month is great, but for a fresh, spa-like feel, be sure to wipe down surfaces at least once a week. Decluttering isn't a one-time event, it's a habit. Stick with this system and your bathroom will always feel fresh, functional, and stress-free. Look at that transformation. My bathroom finally feels like a beautiful hotel bathroom. A clutter-free bathroom truly feels like a reset. Remember, declutter and toss expired items, keep only your essentials, use storage bins for easy access, and set a monthly and weekly routine. Are you tackling your bathroom clutter today? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy home organization ideas. Until next time, let's travel with our dreams together and be sure to stay cozy and clutter-free.